A very warm good evening to everyone. Today I, Bhavna Chadha, journalist at FairGaze, is present in the longest origami art created in the Equipoise event, and I'm standing in the Select City Walks Arcade, Delhi, and guess what? I'm standing with the longest origami art, which is more than 50 feet, and it is created by the great artist Miss Asha Gulati. Let's welcome her. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavna.
Ma'am, I would like to know about your journey in this origami art, how you started and what all you did in this, your journey.
So origami is one thing I love. Like, the best part about it is we are giving a life to a non-entity thing. That's a planer, and we are adding a volume to it. We are giving forms to it. So that's the best thing. And what I feel, I love paper because I'm doing all the other paper techniques as well. So like the slice forms are there, mosaics are there. So paper is something like which is very challenging to use, because once if my line goes wrong, then I can't rectify that. So it somehow teaches us the patience also, focus also, concentration also, and the origami is also considered to be as doing a meditation, because whenever we are creasing a paper, it says like when we are pressing our fingertips, it gives relax to our mind. So that's why I like origami.
So this is all about your inspiration behind starting this origami art. So ma'am, also about how many years of journey you have taken in this art form?
Yeah, from almost like 16-17 years I'm using paper as my medium. So I did different techniques, I created some of the artworks, installations, but about origami I started doing this from almost 7-8 years.
Okay.
But I started with the very simple forms, but then I thought of like creating something of my own. Then I studied more about using the geometry, applied mathematics, so that I can create something of my own, because it's all about symmetry.
True.
That's all.
And we can never thought that paper can be so interesting to create such a big art form.
Exactly.
And ma'am, also about, this Equipoise is all about creating harmony through art. So how this origami art creates that equilibrium between the nature and technology?
Yeah, because I have used all the paper. So that's a part of sustainability, we can say biodegradability. We always promote paper. Definitely it's bad to cut trees, but we can think of like planting more trees. If we are using paper to cut, that is by cutting 5 trees, but instead we can, plant 10 more trees to it. And creating paper, there are different ways also to it, where we can use like the fruit pulps, waste, dried grasses. So there are so many different ways. So I think it's very good to promote paper in different forms, which can be used into different design fields, into the architecture or whatever.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to all the lovely children for watching us, and if you want to know more about this longest origami art at Select City Walks Arcade, so please log on to www.fairgaze.com and know more from Miss Asha Gulati, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
A very warm good evening to everyone. Today I, Shruti Anand, journalist at FairGaze, is present at Select City Walks Arcade, and I am very delighted to have with me Dr. Bhavna Chadha, who is the CEO and the founder of Adhyapann, the Skills Hub. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
She has also organized the event Equipoise that is happening at Select City Walk, and is based upon origami. So ma'am, I would like to ask you about how was your experience? What were the challenges you faced during organizing this event?
So to be very honest, origami is something which is very, very close to everybody's heart. We've so much done it in our classrooms while we were in nursery, and we so much identify with it. The best part is making a boat or making simple things out of paper is something which is so near to us.
Yes.
So that is when Asha, who's a very old friend, came back and talked about her wanting to attempt in a world record on origami. I think I really couldn't think of anything more constructive than origami. And that is when the creative team sat together, and we really thought that origami can be beautifully related to how today nature as well as technology needs to come in together for a full 360-degree kind of in living. So that is from where the idea germinated. The major challenges basically came in was largely from the artist's perspective, because it was more about putting the entire art form together, no glue used, so much of paper, so much of hard work, 90 hours of work went in together.
Yes, ma'am.
for the marketing team, it was more about explaining to people what origami is about. We were not very sure that people will understand or accept the enormity and the relevance of origami as an art. But to my utter surprise, I think the world has really accepted it very well. We got very positive feedback, and I think the kind of response we got from Select City and the audiences here, I think I'm too satisfied and I've forgotten the challenges, and I'm too happy and excited about it.
Very well said, ma'am. Another question, ma'am, I would like to ask you is, have you yourself tried origami before?
So as I said, yes, definitely, but definitely not to the kind of precision with which the artist Asha does. But yes, I have tried my hands onto boat and different kind of things. It's such a cathartic process. It's the most lovely process, I think. Yes, so the answer is I've done it, not as beautifully as a professional artist. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Shruti Anand, journalist at FairGaze, and thank you to all the lovely children for watching us. And if you want to know more about this workshop, do visit our page. It's www.fairgaze.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A very warm good morning to everyone. I'm Shruti Anand, journalist at FairGaze, and today I'm present at the Equipoise event organized by Adhyapann, and I'm present at the workshop conducted by Miss Asha Gulati, a workshop on origami. And today I'm present with the audience. What's your name?
Gulati.
Okay. So did you enjoy the workshop? Okay.
Yes.
And what is this in your hand? What you made it? Show us. What is this?
Bird.
Okay. So what is it made of?
Paper.
Paper. So how did you like the workshop?
मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया या मजा आया?
बहुत मजा आया.
Okay. Thank you so much. So this was Shruti Anand present at the origami event.